If you are only uploading videos in English and wondering why you are not growing, this might be the breakthrough you are missing. So there's one hidden setting inside YouTube Studio that even MrBeast uses to reach millions of viewers in different countries, and most more YouTubers have no idea this exists. But today I'm not just revealing it, I'm showing you exactly how you can use this same strategy to grow your channel faster. Okay, I used this same strategy when I was still under 1,000 subscribers, and it helped me reach new audience from different countries, not just UK, and it played a big part in me getting monetized in just 2 months. Now, I know it sounds almost too simple, but even MrBeast uses this strategy. Now, if you've watched one of his videos and click on the subtitle, you will notice that they are available in different countries and not just English. He does this to make his content accessible to viewers in India, Brazil, Portugal, and beyond. So if a global creator like MrBeast is using this strategy, you already know it works, right? So the good news is you can also do it right from your YouTube Studio. Now, let me show you exactly how you can use this same strategy in your YouTube Studio. First up, we are going to head over to the YouTube Studio and upload your video like you normally would, like your title, your thumbnail, and description, and everything is ready like you usually do. Okay, now I'm going to use one of my already uploaded video for this tutorial, right? So once your upload is complete, now you're going to look at the right hand menu and click on that tab that says subtitle. Okay, now by default, YouTube automatically generates English captions for your video. Okay, but we are going to take it a step further. Now click add language and choose another language you want your video to be available in. Okay, for example, let's say French. Okay, French. Okay, French. Now, after adding the language, you will see a little pencil icon next to the language. Okay, click on it. Now, sometimes the auto translate like this one might be grayed out. Okay, if that happens, don't worry, just go back to the English captions, click on the pencil icon, and then hit publish. That activates the auto translate for the other languages. Okay, now let's go back to the French option, and the auto translate button should now be active. Okay, click on it. YouTube will automatically translate the captions in French for you, and once that's done, hit publish, and that's it. You can repeat that for any other languages you want, being Spanish, being Arabic, or Portuguese, whatever audience you want to reach. All right, and trust me, the more you add, the more your video become globally accessible, and that's how you start getting recommended to people in different countries that you never even expect. But hold on, we are not done yet. The next step is something that almost nobody talks about, but it can take things to another level, and that's translating your video title and description to different languages. After you've added your subtitles, right next to it you will see an option for title and description. Okay, it's in the same row. That's where you can translate your video title and description for that language. This helps YouTube recommend your video to people searching in their native language. Okay, most people skip this part, but you shouldn't. Now go ahead and click add. Okay, now as you can see, the auto translate option for the title and description is grayed out, which just means YouTube won't do it for you. So what you will do instead is head over to Google Translate and then type in your video title and description, translate it into the language you are targeting, all right? Then copy and paste it right into YouTube Studio or into the box. Once you are done, click publish, then that is it. Now repeat exactly the same thing for all other languages that you've chosen, okay? Now what this does is it helps YouTube understand that your video isn't just made for English speakers, okay? It's relevant to people who are searching in other languages too. That means your videos can now show up in international search results, recommended feeds, and even on the homepage of viewers in other countries. Even if the video itself is still in English, the translated captions, the title, and the description gives it a chance to travel across borders. Now, let me say this clearly, all right? This is powerful, but it's not magic. If your videos doesn't bring any value or your content isn't engaging, this strategy won't fix that. So make sure your content is clear, your message is strong, and your hook in the first 30 seconds actually gives people reason to stay. Your title needs to create curiosity, your thumbnail should stand out, and your delivery should be international, okay? When you've got that part right, then adding this translation strategy can take your videos much further. I know it because that is what I did in the beginning. And when I started applying it consistently, I noticed my videos is getting picked in different countries. I wasn't even thinking about it. And the best part is, some of those new viewers became subscribers. Okay, so that is all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and let's all grow together. See you in my next video. Bye bye.